Welcome to your groove.cm account. There's a lot to see here, so this video is intended as a short orientation guide on where everything is, as well as what it all does. When you log in to groove.cm, you are brought to your account dashboard. There's a lot of stats available for your account activity here, like sales metrics and view counts, but when you start out, it will be empty. For now, the most important things to note are in the upper right and lower left corners of the page. First, in the upper right, you can click to join the Groove affiliate program, and if you're ever having trouble or feeling lost, you can reach out to our support team by clicking this icon in the upper right. You'll have the option of reaching out via email or chat if one of our representatives are available. You can also click the Answers tab to quickly find articles from our support knowledge base. Just next to this is a notification bell. Here, you'll find the latest updates to the platform. Speaking of which, you can access all of Groove's apps through this next button. Finally, the profile icon gives you access to all of your integrations, your profile and billing details, another way to access the Groove Partner Program, and a log out button. The lower left corner of the page has similarly helpful links. You can access our ever-expanding database of video tutorials, access our help desk and knowledge base directly, and find groove.cm's roadmap to the future with the option to leave us feedback. These options are available throughout the platform, so they are always there when you might need them. Let's take a look at those apps, where to find them, and what they do. Besides the upper right corner, you can also hover over the Groove G to find all of them. First is the dashboard, where we are now. Groove pages can build, of course, pages and entire websites. You can host all of them as a subdomain within Groove, yoursite.groovepages.com, or link your own domain with us. The upcoming groovefunnels is for designing the full layout of your sales and marketing funnels. Think of it like a mind map with direct links to all of your assets. GrooveSell is made for selling digital or non-physical products, whether it is a digital file, membership course access, or even a consultation call. You can also create your own affiliate program here. Groove Affiliate is where you might sign up for other affiliate programs and find your affiliate tools, such as links and stats, for any products you are promoting. Groove Mail can not only send messages, called broadcasts, but automate the entire process through sequences, which are a series of broadcasts, often with custom rules on what gets sent and when. And automations. Automations can also be used outside of sending messages, such as giving someone access to a membership when they join your list. Speaking of which, you can build memberships using Groove Member. You can create multiple memberships and organize them within portals, and also upload files for sharing with members. Groove Video is a powerful video host and video wrapper. You can not only completely customize the player, but add perfectly timed opt-in forms, buttons, banners, and more to your videos. Using Groove Blog, you can create a blog with flexible themes, embed images and video into your text posts for added content, and even add custom code if you want. While Groove Sell is for digital products, Groove Cart is made for selling physical products. You can create an online storefront to list products with variations such as size or color, coupons, and more. With Groove Webinar, you can create webinars for your audiences, including fully automated webinars that have a live look and feel, but are actually pre-recorded. You can tweak and edit as much as you like to create your perfect webinar with interactive elements like surveys and polls. The mobile app, available on both Apple and Android, can be used to track all the essential stats in your account, whether it's your sales in Groove Sell and Groove Cart, your broadcast delivery in Groove Mail, or how well your websites are performing. Finally, to make things easier than ever, you can sign up for Groove Copy Pro. This advanced AI can create not just sales copy, but entire campaigns at the click of a button. Groove Copy Pro is also accessed through the sidebar. Let's take a look at those options. Clicking Marketplace gives you the option to visit the affiliate marketplace, where you can sign up to promote products by other Groove members, and the upcoming Groove Marketplace, where users can sell their designs. Also, here is the upcoming Groove App Store, where other users can share and sell apps and extensions for the Groove platform. Clicking Our Services shows additional features and apps you can sign up for. Alongside Groove Copy Pro, you can find GroovePay, our payment processor, Groove Ads, a full-service advertising agency, and Groove Solos, our traffic generation service. Next are events and workshops hosted by Groove, like GrooveCon and the famous Marketers Cruise. Finally, once developed, this is where you can find Groove's API and documentation for advanced integrations. That's the main page. In a nutshell, you can access all of the platform's apps through here and always reach out to us for support.